Another day in the life for you guys. I have to pick up keys for an open house, and this is my office. It's on Cermak Road in Berwyn. So if you guys don't know what Cermak Road looks like, this is what it is. But I gotta hurry because I'm not running late, but I don't want to be late. My clients dropped off the keys to their house for my open house today, and I have to come and get them. My keys. Thank you. Thank you so. Thank you. So this is my Realty of America office in Berwyn. These are the actual cubicles where I do my home buyer seminars, and you'll see people in them right now. They're in there because they're either working or they're meeting with clients. This is the office for the agents. If you check this out, we got a TV with couches. We have like a little boardroom thing here. And then I love this. And then if we ever wanted to bring clients out here to play a little bit of this, we can do that. And then over here, we have an outdoorsy area. So if we're ever having events, we can have our events. But the reason why I came today is because of this machine right here. It's good because it's free. Look, at my big back thought I was gonna get a donut, but apparently not. So this is May Street. I'm on the south side of Chicago. And the house that I'm gonna do the open house at, I actually sold it to this couple, and now they have to sell it due to family reasons. All right, I'm inside. It's not looking good. I'll show you why in a second. I mean, we're having an open house today, and I told the owner to clean, and they did not clean. And I have a bunch of people headed here right now. And you know, the property is actually really nice. If you could see past all the stuff in here, property is actually in really good condition. It was recently rehabbed, okay? But just the difference is that they didn't, you know, they didn't clean anything. They didn't think there's even like laundry over here. So I'm gonna have to call one of the other owners to let them know that, hey, listen, just so you know, I mean, you know, stuff like this. So I just got off the phone with one of the owners and told them that stuff needed to be moved, and they said, go ahead and move it. So I'm gonna try to make this thing look a little bit more spiffy. So here we go. All right. That's 5 trips, and now we have a huge problem. It's laying on the floor. It's fake. It's a BB gun, I'm sure. Pellet gun. It's a pellet gun, so now I have to hide it in the house. And I'm not touching it, no fingerprints, because you never know. Guess this is fine there. I think this looks like a computer charger. Some blankets and stuff, and move it out of the way. So at the price of $225,000, this place is extremely affordable. I'm actually gonna put this jacket on because I just got a call that I have people coming into the open house right now. So I'll let them see this, and then I actually have to be on my way to other appointments. So let me get the door. Yeah, so it is 4 bedrooms. The owners are they bought it like 6 months ago, 5-6 months ago.
Okay.
But there's a separation going on, so now it's time to sell it again.
Okay.
So, but that's basically it. The place has been rehabbed. When they bought it brand new, rehabbed. Floors are new, windows look good, newer. Roof should be fine, but it's just literally just have their stuff, and they're moving out right now.
Okay.
So, okay.
Great.
But feel free to go around and take.
And I can get into the bedrooms?
Yes, you can. I just closed the doors, but
Okay.
yeah, there's no dog here. There's a dog cage in the back, but there's no dog here. I think almost every realtor would agree that at the end of your open house, there's that one family that shows up, and it happened here, and luckily they're here because we really need to sell this place, and they're inside right now. So I'm going to give them a chance to do their thing, and then after that, I'm going to lock up and head out to the next appointment. So there you go, and the show is over. I think they liked it. Hopefully we can get an offer on it. And just so you guys know, I did shoot a property tour on this house. If you haven't seen any of my property tours, just go on the channel. But you'll see a link to the property tour somewhere here on the video. And do me a favor, subscribe. But I'm going to go. I have more appointments. But I will be doing a lot more vlogs like this this year, 2026. So Thank you guys for subscribing. We'll see you in the next video.